Share your screen with audience. Yes, I can share my screen here. Okay, perfect. Okay, we're live. Hello, hello. Welcome to NickProRealty channel. Today we're gonna talk about the rates and U.S. real estate market update. So without further ado, let's begin. And I'll be sharing my screen sometimes. So what is going on with the rates? Last cut we had in December. The next cut is scheduled for end of January. And we want to check what other predictions are for this rate cut. So let's check on the poly market, the probabilities. So we have 98% stating that there's going to be no change. Only 2% for 25 basis point decrease. And so this is the biggest bet we have, is that 98% no change. And the next FOMC meeting will be in, let's check, it should be January 27. This is where probably will be no change. I hope there will be a change. And next one will be in March 17th. So we will have 1.5 months break after this. Let's stop sharing. So what we see in the market, the trends are as follows, that we have more requests for mortgages in our mortgage company, Vera Mortgage Brokers. And the sales are up. We are partnered with Zillow, part of Zillow Flex, and we have a big influx of leads. And market is alive if we're talking about South Florida. And we have a big amount of international buyers as well and investors. So everything is going fine. We began the year very strong. We will close January better than December, because in December it was a very slow time for buyers, for purchasing new real estate and financing requests, because everybody traveling, a lot of people going on the Christmas holidays. And I think that month of January will finish very strong. And let's hope the rate will be adjusted downwards, or at least stay the same, not upwards. As far as commercial real estate, with commercial real estate, we see influx of investors from other states, especially from California. We see a big trend in demand for investment properties and residential residences for California residents due to their new laws in taxes. Also, New Yorkers are moving to South Florida, and we are here to help. We are here to find the best property for you and for your friends, for your family. So definitely reach out to us. And end of December was a big deal for our channel. We hit 100,000 subscribers. We received our button, silver button is here, and I can show it to you in a little bit. It's a big achievement for us, and we are super happy that we are together, and it's motivated me that we're gonna be doing more live streams here, and we will decide which day is the best. And actually, if you can leave comments here, which day and which time is the best for the live streams, so you can watch and comment and give feedback. And I will be happy for your proactiveness. And this is the button. Here you go. And it's beautiful. It looks super nice. This part is like a little mirror, so you can look at it and you see the reflection here. So the next goal is gold button, and we need to work super hard, and we will do more content. Yesterday we had a very nice video with one of the developers here in South Florida. They're building a new residential apartment complex. It's going to be 200 units. It's called Hollywood 21, and the location is super nice. What else, Justin? Any other things to discuss? You can ask me some questions. This is our second live stream, and it's again not we don't have a script. So what I can do, we can review some interesting news which are affecting our business, and specifically what is going now with the trade wars again. So we yesterday the stock market was down, and cryptocurrencies went down because everybody were waiting for the Trump speech at Davos, at big event which he flew to yesterday, and he had some hiccups with his plane, but everything was fine, and he was able to make it there. And what he said, everybody were waiting to hear about Greenland and what is happening with our Greenland residents, and everybody were worried, and Europe was all definitely scared and like had a lot of concerns about what Trump is going to do, and he said that it's not going to be any any intervention basically, and he was pushing on a trade war again and tariffs, and he said that everybody calm down. There is not going to be any force for about Greenland. So that was a good sign, and the markets reflected right away. Today we saw them that they bounced back, some of them not to the levels of last week, but they went up. And for real estate, when we have a lot of fluctuations in the stock market, people always are looking for stable investments, and real estate is one of the best tools to have passive cash flow, or if you looking to invest in residential real estate which you want to renovate and resell, it's also an option. But a week ago we had a session where we were talking about how to build your passive cash flow streams, and definitely commercial real estate is the best way to do it, because we have tools which we offer, or we can offer and find you the commercial real estate piece where you can invest and collect rent on a monthly basis and not worry about the real estate itself. It's called triple net leases, triple net properties, which you buy, and on a monthly basis you collect the rents. And another venue is to, if you're an accredited investor, or if you are from overseas and you're looking for commercial real estate investments, it's our tool called Vera Fund. And this is our proprietary private equity platform where we invest and co-invest in commercial real estate assets. So this was the short update about US real estate and current rates situation. So let's see what's going to happen on January 28 to 29 in the next Federal Reserve meeting. Hopefully it will go down. Maybe it will stay the same. Let's see, and send me the comments and tell me what do you think will happen. And the next live stream we will do next week. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for connecting, and see you next time. This was Nick Polyushkin, NickProRealty. See you soon.